সো আজকে সেশনটা স্টার্ট করা যাক। ফার্স্টলি হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান অ্যান্ড ওয়েলকাম। আশা করি তোরা পুজোটা খুব ভালো কাটিয়েছিস। We are thrilled to have you here for the Google Cloud Study Jam registration session, brought to you by the Google Developers Group on Campus chapter at RCC Institute of Information Technology. আমাদের অলরেডি একটা ইন্ট্রোডাকশন হয়েছে যে স্টাডি জ্যামটা কি বেসিক্যালি। আজকে সেটা নিয়ে আমরা ডিটেলে যাব অ্যান্ড তোদের যাতে কোনো প্রবলেম না হয় সেটা নিয়ে ডিটেল ডিসকাশন করব। Let's meet the trio behind today's amazing session. We are excited to take you through an engaging session filled with stories, ideas, and a whole lot of GDG energy. Get ready, it's going to be fun, inspiring, and full of learning. Let me start by introducing myself. My name is Rivu Chatterjee, and I'm the web lead for the GDG on campus at RCC IIT. I'm currently in my third year of information technology, and alongside my academics, I have been deeply involved in both full stack development and community leadership. Next is Rajoshi Mondol.
Okay, am I audible? Deepu?
Yes, you are.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. Let me start by introducing myself also. My name is Rajoshi Mondal, and I am the AIML lead for GDG on campus at RCC IIT. I am currently in my third year of computer science and engineering, and alongside my academics, I have deeply involved in exploring artificial intelligence, machine learning, and full stack development. Let's meet our third speaker, Devduti.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Devduti Mundul, your AIML co-lead at GTG on campus RCC IIT. I'm a third year CSC undergrad, and currently I'm very passionate about AIML and exploring that, and hope to meet you all very soon. And let's carry on with our event today. Thank you.
Okay. But তিনটে স্পিকার একটা কমিউনিটি রান হয় না। সো লেট মি ইন্ট্রোডিউস টু ইউ আওয়ার অ্যামেজিং টিম। এখানে আমাদের লিড অর্গানাইজার ঋষি দাদা নেই, তোরা সবাই চিনিসই ওকে। আমাদের টিমটাকে তোরা দেখেছিস আগে, একটা ছোট্ট করে বলে দেখে নে তোরা। আমাদের ওয়েবেতে আমরা আছি, অ্যাপেতে কারা আছে, এআইএমএল কারা আছে, সিপিতে কারা আছে। নেক্সট ওয়েব3, সাইবার সিকিউরিটি, পিআর অ্যান্ড গ্রাফিক্সে কারা আছে। এরপর দ্য মেন অ্যাট্রাকশন, I should say one of our main attractions, that is announcing our subcode. At GDG, we always build a subcode team to help shape and mentor our juniors. As the club expands, this structure allows us to involve more students, distribute responsibilities, and ensure continuity across batches. Each member of our subcode was carefully chosen through an interview process, ensuring the perfect balance of skill, enthusiasm, and commitment. আরও একটা জিনিস, অনেকজনই সাব করে ফিল করেছিলিস, বাট আনফর্চুনেটলি আমরা তাদেরকে সিলেক্ট করতে পারিনি। স্পর্শ দুটো ছিল, কিছু কিছু ডোমেনে একটা ছিল। সো প্লিজ ডোন্ট বি ডিসহার্টেন্ড, তোরা খুব ভালো ট্যালেন্টেড পিপল অ্যান্ড অ্যাজ এ ডেভেলপার খুব ভালো। সো উইদাউট ফার্দার অ্যাডো, লেটস মিট দেম। Starting from the web, we have Ankur and Soham as web associates. In app, we have Soham and Pearl. In AIML, we have Pragya and Swastik. In CP and DSA, we have Radhesham and Sampath Gorai as CP and DSA associates. Next, for the Web3, we have Sagoto, Nirjhar as cybersecurity associate. For the PR and management, we have Shrija and Kasturi. And for the graphics, we have Adrija and Shanchali. A special thanks to the graphics team, Tirtha, Rayoshi, Prachi. They have been working since day one to create all the designs you guys are seeing right now. এবার একটা সারপ্রাইজ আছে ফ্রম দ্য সাবকোড টিম, কেউ কি গেস করতে পারছিস?
সারপ্রাইজ?
সবাই এত চুপচাপ কেন? We need some interaction.
লোকজন ডাক ভাই, সারপ্রাইজ কি ফাঁকা করে সারপ্রাইজ দিতে ভালো লাগে?
Actually, yaar, no one's reacting. তোরা কি কেউ খুশি নও সাব করে দেখে?
ক্যাশ প্রাইজ? আরে
আমাদের কাছে ক্যাশ
আচ্ছা বল তো আগে বল, কজন ফার্স্ট ইয়ার্স আছিস আর কজন সেকেন্ড ইয়ার্স আছিস? সেম গোস ফর থার্ড ইয়ার্স। সবাই ফার্স্ট ইয়ার, সেকেন্ড ইয়াররা কেউ আসেনি সাপোর্ট করতে সাবকোরকে। তো ফার্স্ট ইয়ার একটু রিয়্যাক্ট কর সাব করে, পরের বারে তো তোরাও ইন্টারভিউ দিবি। তোরা কি খুশি নও সাব কোর দেখে? রিয়্যাক্ট গাইস, শো সাম সাপোর্ট এন্ড লাভ টু দেম।
আচ্ছা রিভু, তুই কিছু একটা সারপ্রাইজের কথা বলছিলিস, কি ব্যাপারটা ঠিক কি?
Yeah, what's the surprise? What's the catch behind it?
আচ্ছা কেউ কি কিচ্ছু গেস করতে পারছিস না সারপ্রাইজটা কি? এনিওয়ান, এনি গেসেস, র্যান্ডম গেসেস হলেও হবে। শুধু ক্যাশ প্রাইসটা বলিস না, কারণ ক্যাশটা আমাদের কাছেও নেই।
MacBook.
সোয়াগস।
ব্যাম্বুটা কলেজ দেয়, জিজি দেয় না আপাতত।
Maybe a chance to meet Rishida. A great achievement to all of us.
ঋষিদা একটা কি একটা সেলফি পাবো আপনার সঙ্গে?
অফলাইনে ইভেন্ট হোক সব।
CV তে দিতে পারবো তো?
BMW M কি হট হুইলস চাই তোর? চান্স টু মিট বিরাট কোহলি।
ফাইন, এর পরের হ্যাকাথনে আমরা
আমরা
Hot Wheels কে
ইয়েপি
একটা প্রাইজ
নুডলস দিচ্ছি
হিসেবে
না
রাখবো।
ভাই, আমরা ইয়েপি নুডলস তো দিচ্ছি না, চান্স টু মিট বিরাট কোহলি। এটা তো পারবো না ভাই।
Boost.
না, it is something which will help the community, ঠিক আছে?
জেমিনি প্রো,
ওই
এটা তো
stack
আগেই আমরা বলে দিয়েছিলাম।
আচ্ছা, যে ঠিক গেস করবে সে কি পাবে ঋষিদা? স্টিকার,
কে ঠিক গেস করবে?
গুগল লেখা স্টিকার।
আমার আন্তরিক ভালোবাসা আর শুভেচ্ছা পাবে।
গুগল অফিস ট্যুর।
গেস করতে পারলে ঋষিরা সোন পাপড়ি খাওয়াবে ভাই।
ট্রু।
বিরিয়ানি আর না ভাই,
আর
যা দিতে পারো সব
2500
চাই।
জনকে বিরিয়ানি খাওয়াতে হলে তো
ওখানকার জন্য আরেকটা ক্লাউড স্টাডি জ্যাম করতে হবে।
Okay, no one has guessed it right yet. So, Ribhu, can you show us the surprise, please?
Of course. So here, as you can see, একটা ছোট্ট টিজার of our new GDG RCCIIT website.
এটা ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ডে গান চললে হয় না? এই গান গেয়ে দে।
কেমন লাগছে তোদের কমেন্ট করে বল। and of course আমি আসছি কেন সাইটটা হবে। ফায়ার, নাইস। আমি আরেকটা জিনিস এটা অ্যাড করতে চাই। দিস was made and is also being made by our subcore, especially 3 people like Ankur, Swam and Pearl. We are just guiding them, but basically they are doing it. So also from the core team খুব ভালো হয়েছে, সুন্দর হয়েছে।
আচ্ছা গাইস,
তোরা কি বলিস?
হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান। ঠিক আছে, এখানে কে কে আরসিসি টেক্স এর ইভেন্টটায় গেছিলিস? গেট লিংকটা কে গেছিলিস? আচ্ছা, ওকে ফাইন। তো সবার লিংকডইন আছে? ব্যাস, এটার একটা স্ক্রিনশট নে, ট্যাগ আরসিসি জিডিজি অন ক্যাম্পাস আরসিসি আইআইটি। যার বেস্ট পোস্ট হবে তাকে আমি সোয়াগ দেবো আলাদা করে।
জিডিজির মেম্বাররাও পার্টিসিপেট করতে পারবে তো? কোর টিম? দ্যাটস ভেরি স্যাড।
সবাই স্ক্রিনশট নিয়ে পোস্ট কর। I want to see like at least
স্বাগত জিজ্ঞেস করছে সাবকোর কি ইনক্লুডেড?
না
না
তুই আমাদের মনে ইনক্লুডেড আছিস ভাই।
তাহলে তো কম্পিটিশন কমে যাচ্ছে।
হ্যাঁ, এটা কিন্তু আমি একমত স্বাগতর সঙ্গে, এটা ডিসক্রিমিনেশন, সত্যি ডিসক্রিমিনেশন। Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so what is our today's session all about? We all hear cloud, 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 this, cloud, that. So, what is the cloud? Basically, what is cloud? So, as you can see, cracking the cloud, চাপ নিস না, কেউ আমরা অ্যাকচুয়ালিতে ক্লাউড ভাঙবো না বা ইলিগাল কাজও করবো না। What we are here to do today is, yes, we will crack the cloud. When I say crack, I mean we are going to crack it open, look inside, and figure out what it really is. We are going to demystify it. The term cloud is used everywhere, but it can feel like this big, fluffy, magical thing that nobody really understands. Our goal for today is simple: to break down this complex topic into simple, easy to understand pieces, যাতে আমরা সবাই একসঙ্গে ক্লাউডটা কি, কেন এত ক্লাউড করায় বুঝতে পারি। So let's get started. Let's crack this thing open. আচ্ছা, এবার ওয়ান্ডার্ড, এই যে এত কিছু আমরা নেটফ্লিক্স বা গুগল ডক্স বা তোরা পাবজি খেলিস যেটা, বা এত ইনস্টাগ্রাম করিস, এর ডেটাটা কোথায় গিয়ে স্টোর হচ্ছে? We use this technology every single day, but have you really thought about how it works? Let's take Netflix. You go home, flop on the couch, and turn on. Where is the show actually living? The slide gives you a hint. It's not on your TV. It's not on your giant DVD in a vault in Hollywood. So, এটা কোথায়? Keep that question in your head. Okay, next one. এখানে তোরা কতজন গ্রুপ প্রজেক্ট করেছিস গুগল ডকে? চ্যাটে লেখ। বাস এই কজন, আর কেউ গুগল ডক ইউজ করিস নি? ওকে, নাইস নাইস। তো গুগল ডকের কি সুবিধা হয়? গুগল ডকের আমরা আমার সাইড থেকেও করতে পারি। রাজস্বী কিছু লিখবে, রাজস্বীও লিখতে পারে, রাইট? ইউ আর টাইপিং ইন ওয়ান সিটি, ইউর ফ্রেন্ড ইজ টাইপিং ইন অ্যানাদার, অ্যান্ড ইউ ক্যান লিটারালি সি দেয়ার কার্সার্স মুভিং and their words appearing at the same time. Magical, isn't it? It feels like magic, yes. Any gamers in the room? কেউ এখানে পাবজি বা ভ্যালোরেন্ট খেলিস বা এনি গেমস? কি খেলিস তোরা? ওকে, ফ্রি ফায়ার, নাইস। ক্রাঙ্কার, ওকে। অন্য কোনো? ই ফুটবল, পাবজি, এফসি মোবাইল, নাইস নাইস। গুড টু সি so gamers around us. Okay, so think about it. You, your friends, and 90 other people are running around the same map in real time from all over the world. How does the game keep track of every single person, every single shot, all at once without just exploding? Incredible, Dina. And this one blows my mind. Trillions of photo. Think about your entire camera roll. Now multiply that by everyone you know, then by billions of other people. Where is the digital photo album big enough to hold all of that? So we have got streaming, real-time collaboration, mass-scale gaming, and endless storage. What's the one single answer to all of this? এত কিছু জিনিস আমরা একসঙ্গে করছি, কি হতে পারে? কি করে হচ্ছে? I bet some of you know it. জানিস, I guess. Virtual memory, cloud server, cloud database. Okay. I'm actually hearing some great answers. I think you're on the right track. The answer, the technology that powers all of this is Yes, the cloud. Rajoshi, would you like to explain it in detail?
So what exactly is the cloud? তোদের কি মনে হয় চ্যাটে একটু বল জিনিসটা কি হয়টা কি ক্লাউডে স্টোরেজ আকাশের মেঘ data storage
Right?
right. Okay, so well, to put it simply, the cloud is just someone else's computer that you can access over the internet. But of course, it not just a single computer sitting somewhere. It's actually a massive global network of powerful servers and data centers distributed all around the world. And যেরকম তোরা বললি data storage, these centers store data, run applications, and deliver services that we use every single day, often without even realizing it. Now think about how things work before the cloud. Any idea আগে কিভাবে কাজ হতো যখন ক্লাউড ছিলই না? চ্যাট, ডেটা সার্ভার্স, ডেটা সার্ভার্স তো লাগবেই, এসডি কার্ড, বেসিক্যালি ফিজিক্যাল সার্ভার্স। হ্যাঁ, তো let's say if a company wanted to run a website or an app, they had to buy their own physical servers, which were really expensive. They also needed space to store them, power to keep them running, cooling systems to prevent overheating, and a dedicated team to maintain everything. It was costly, time consuming, and not very much flexible. If your app suddenly got popular and you needed more computing power, you had to buy more hardware, which took time and money. But today, with the cloud, all of hassle is gone. You don't have to own or maintain servers anymore. You simply rent the computing power, storage, or services as you need them. You can scale up when there is a heavy demand and scale down when things are quiet, paying only for what you actually use. এটার কিছু একটা এক্সাম্পল ভাবা যাক। আচ্ছা তোরা বল, চ্যাটে তোর কি মনে হয় যে এই ক্লাউডের একটা রিয়েল লাইফ একটা এক্সাম্পল বল। গুগল ফটোজ। রিভু, তুই কিছু বলতে চাস এই এক্সাম্পলটা নিয়ে?
Firstly, I would like to ask everyone, তোরা কতজন র্যাপিডো ইউজ করিস? আই গেস সবাই ইউজ করিস। কারা কারা? আই ওয়ান্ট টু সি। অতুল পোদ্দার, ওকে, আর ঈশিতা, কে, সায়ন, ঈশিকা, রাহুল। আচ্ছা, র্যাপিডোকে কি আমরা অ্যাকচুয়ালি বাইকটা কিনি? এক্স্যাক্টলি, কিনি না। অ্যান্ড দ্যাটস হোয়াট হ্যাপেন্স ইন ক্লাউড। আমরা যেমন র্যাপিডোটা একটা ভাড়া করি, রেন্ট মানে উই পে ফর দ্য রাইড। সিমিলারলি আমরা যখন ক্লাউডে স্টোর করছি, when we are storing our data in the cloud, we are storing it, but we are not buying the entire storage. And that's how fantastic cloud is.
Okay, so that's the real beauty of cloud. It's convenient, scalable, and accessible from anywhere in the world, right?
Of course, Arashi.
Okay, now let's talk about something even cooler, the cloud in our daily lives, or as I like to call it, the Gen Z edition. You might not realize it, but the cloud is basically the invisible engine running behind almost everything we do online. আচ্ছা রিবু, তোর কি মনে হয় আমরা এই ক্লাউড সার্ভিসেস কোথায় কোথায় ঠিক ইউজ করি আমাদের ডেইলি লাইফসে?
রাজস্বী, আমরা কোথায় কোথায় ইউজ করি না, ম্যাক্সিমাম তো আমরা ইউজ করি এটাতে। বাট
এক্স্যাক্টলি।
স্টিল পিপিটিতে যেগুলো আছে আমাদেরকে তো একটু হাইলাইট করে বলতে হবে সেগুলোতে। ওয়াই নট গো থ্রু দ্যাট? সো এভরিওয়ান থিঙ্ক অ্যাবাউট নেটফ্লিক্স অর স্পটিফাই। নেটফ্লিক্স আর চিল নয় কিন্তু, নেটফ্লিক্স আর স্পটিফাই। You hit play and instantly terabytes of data are streamed right to your device. No downloads or waiting. Or YouTube. ইউটিউবে কি সব ভিডিও ডাউনলোড করতে হয়? আমরা page, right? It's wild, right? Over 500 hours of video gets uploaded every single minute, and all of that content is stored, processed, and delivered through your cloud. এক্ষুনি আমরা যেটা জিজ্ঞেস করলাম গেমিংস, খুব পপুলার একটা টপিক, আমি জানি এটা। গেমার্স দিস ওয়ান, ওকে, when you play Valorant, BGMI, Free Fire, যেটা খুব ট্রেন্ডিং, বা any online game, all the matchmaking servers are hosted in the cloud. That's how you can play with friends across time without lag. Well, most of the time. কিছু কিছু সময় তো ল্যাক হয়ে যায়, এন্ড তারপরে আমরা রেগে মেগে অনেক কিছু কথা বলে দিই। তারপরে যেটা আছে সেটা তো আমরা মনে হয় জেনসি সবাই ইউজ করি সোশ্যাল মিডিয়া। কে ইউজ করে না? কেউ আছে এখানে ইউজ করে না? চ্যাট খালি, মানে কেউ এরম নেই যে ইউজ করে না, সবাই ইউজ করে। So every time you scroll through Instagram or Snapchat, you are actually using the cloud, the AI that suggests filters, recommends reels, or powers your discovery feed. Shopkichu. All of that magic happens on cloud servers. Even your stories, chats, and posts are all safely stored there. তারপরে জিনিসটা আমরা পাই হ্যাকাথনসে। কারা কারা এসআইএসে পার্টিসিপেট করেছিস? এবারে চ্যাটে লেখ, কুইক। করতে চাই দাদা মি এসআইএসে সৌর্য স্মার্ট ইন্ডিয়া হ্যাকাথনে কেউ করেছিস এবারে? সেকেন্ড ইয়ার্স? গুড, দেখে খুব ভালো লাগছে অনেকজন এসআইএসে পার্টিসিপেট করছে। So when it comes to productivity, apps like Google Docs, Figma, or Canva make teamwork feel effortless. এবার সাপোজ ধর ক্লাউড থাকতো না, আমি একটা পিপিটি বানালাম, সেই পিপিটিটাকে আমি এটাকে চেঞ্জ করলাম, চেঞ্জ করে আবার আমাকে ভায়া হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ পাঠাতে হচ্ছে রাজস্বীকে, রাজস্বী এটা চেঞ্জ করে দে, আমার একটা ভুল হলো, রাজস্বী বললো না এটা হয়নি, আমি এগুলো করে পাঠাচ্ছি, আবার হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে আমাকে দিল, খুব টাইম কনজিউমিং বা মেমোরি কনজিউমিং, রাইট? So that's where cloud comes in. You and your friends can edit the same project from different cities. And that's possible only because of the cloud syncs everything in real time. The journey of a single click. Rashi, কি বলবি এটা নিয়ে তুই?
So yes, whether you are streaming, gaming, scrolling, or collaborating, the cloud is silently working in the background, making your digital life seamless. প্রায় সব জিনিসে আমরা ক্লাউডই ইউজ করে যাচ্ছি। তো আমরা এখানে দেখবো যে কিভাবে ক্লাউডটা ওয়ার্ক করে। So let's follow what happens when you do something as simple as sending a message to a friend. We will call it the journey of a single click. Let's see the steps. Your phone. Imagine your phone is you and you just wrote a tiny postcard. When you tap send, you are basically handing that postcard to the mailman. Then comes the internet. The internet is just the world's biggest network of roads and highways. Your tiny postcard zips through all these roads, which are actually real physical cables under the ground and at the bottom of the ocean also. Then comes the data center. So where is your postcard going? It arrives at a data center. So a data center is just a giant house, like a huge warehouse that's filled with hundreds and hundreds of powerful computers. This is the cloud's home base, you can say. Then comes the cloud. Inside that giant house, one of these powerful computers, called a server, is like a mailman for that house. It grabs your postcard and says, oh, this needs to go to your friend. It does its job and processes your request and sends the postcard. Here is the crazy part. All of this, the entire trip from your phone to the giant computer house and onto your friend, happens in less time than it takes to you blink. তো আমরা বাদিকে একটা ডায়াগ্রাম দেখতে পাচ্ছি। তো তোরা বল এখানে যে ক্লায়েন্ট কম্পিউটারটা আছে কি মিন করছে? এই যে ফোন ছিল, ইন্টারনেট ছিল, ডেটা সেন্টার ছিল, ওটা কি হতে পারে?
রাজস্বী স্বপ্নিল তো জিজ্ঞেস করছে why cloud not on prem.
গুড কোয়েশ্চেন। এটার রিপু তুই বল ভাই।
I think firstly Swapninuda is the best person এটা answer দেওয়ার জন্য। So cloudটা it's as you pay as you go model. Only pay for what you use, no huge platform upfront hardware cost. But on-prem কি হয়, on-prem high capital expenditure for servers, storage, networking এগুলো ইউজ করা। So of course এতক্ষণ ধরে আমরা যেগুলো বলে এসেছি proves again যে কেন ক্লাউডটা বেটার and কেন এত ক্লাউড ইউজ করা হয় এভরিওয়্যার।
Okay. Okay, so let's get to the point. তো এই ক্লায়েন্ট কম্পিউটারটা ঠিক কি মিন করছে? Any guesses? Chat.
Anyone? Guys, you have ChatGPT, Google.
স্বস্তিক রয় ঠিক উত্তর দিয়েছে।
Okay. So the client computer is just a big word for your phone or your laptop. That's you tapping the send. Then it comes the application servers. These application servers are the powerful computers in the giant warehouse. They are the brains that do all the work. Then the database or the storage one. This database is just a giant digital closet or library. When you upload a picture to Google Photos, the server or the brain takes your picture and stores it nearly in. And the control node. The control node is just the traffic cop for the warehouse, telling all the messages where to go so they don't crash. So that's all the cloud is. It's not a magic. It's just someone else's really big, really fast computer in a really big house that you get to use over the internet. It's the house where your Netflix shows and your Google Doc actually live. ওকে, তার আগে চ্যাটে আচ্ছা স্লাইড তো ঘুরে গেছে। তোরা কি এগুলো সম্বন্ধে ফ্যামিলিয়ার? শুনেছিস AWS, Azure, GCP? Yes. Okay. All right. So let's see who actually runs the cloud. Well, there is a lot of cloud providers out there, but in reality, just three big names dominate the market. Think of them as Nike and Adidas of the digital world. First up, the Amazon Web Services or the AWS. This is the oldest and largest player in the game. AWS practically invented the modern cloud industry and still powers a huge portion of the internet, from Netflix to Airbnb. If you have ever used a big online service, chances are AWS was somewhere behind the scenes. A few days ago, I think দুদিন আগেই ক্যানভা বন্ধ হয়ে গেছিল, স্ন্যাপচ্যাট বন্ধ হয়ে গেছিল। You heard about it? Did you heard? Clash Royale বন্ধ, exactly. ওকে, তো ওটা AWS এর ইস্যুটা ছিল। Yes, AWS is to one. Okay, let's move on to the next. Microsoft Azure. Azure is hugely popular with large businesses, especially those already using Microsoft tools like Windows, Office, or Teams. It's the go-to choice for enterprises that want an easy integration with their existing Microsoft ecosystem. And finally, GCP or Google Cloud Platform. GCP might be the young of these three, but it's incredibly powerful. It's the same cloud that runs Google Search, YouTube, Gmail, which means it's built for speed, scale, and data. It's specially loved by developers and AI/ML enthusiasts because of Google's strength in data analytics and machine learning. So, in short, AWS leads the race, Azure rules the enterprise world, and GCP powers the innovation and AI. Together, they are the titans of the cloud. So, now let's talk about the GCP or Google Cloud Platform. তো জিসিপিতে ঠিক কি কি আমরা সার্ভিসেস পাই তোদের কোনো আইডিয়া? চেক। এনিথিং? স্টোরেজ, সিকিউরিটি, ওকে, এভরিথিং অফ গুগল, TensorFlow, hosting. Okay, let me elaborate. GCP isn't just another cloud provider. It's built on the same powerful infrastructure that Google uses for its own massive products. Think about it. When you search on Google, you are using GCP. When you watch a video on YouTube, that's GCP. When you get directions on Google Maps, yes, GCP is working behind the scenes again. Because it powers all of Google's own services, GCP is incredibly fast, reliable, and secure. It's designed to handle massive amount of data and traffic effortlessly, which is why developers and organizations worldwide trust it for their cloud needs. And at the right আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি কিছু সার্ভিসেস লেখা আছে। So here is a quick look of the big data products available on GCP. At first, the storage. This is where all your data lives. Cloud storage for storing large files like images, videos, and backups. Cloud SQL and Cloud Spanner for relational databases. Cloud Data Store and Bigtable for NoSQL and large-scale storage needs. Then comes the ingestion. Now, what ingestion means? This layer is all about bringing data into the cloud. Here we have Compute Engine, Kubernetes Engine, Cloud Data Flow, PubSub, Cloud Compute Composer, etc. Then comes the analytics. Now that your data is in GCP, it's time to analyze it. We have BigQuery. BigQuery is GCP's serverless data warehouse. It's super fast and scalable. Then we have Dataproc, Data Lab, and for machine learning. Here is where the GCP really shines. With tools like CloudML, TensorFlow, and AutoML. Did you hear of TensorFlow? Chat. Okay. Yes. Okay. No. Chayok. Okay, so we have another cloud TPU that provides specialized hardware for accelerating deep learning and ML APIs. Now comes the serving part. Finally, after building insights or AI models, you can serve them to end users using like Data Studio for dashboards and visualizations, Dialogflow for chatbot, App Engine for deploying web applications seamlessly. So from data storage to analysis, machine learning, serving, GCP provides an end-to-end solution for big data and AI-driven applications. That's the true power of GCP. Okay, so here a question comes. আমাদের কাছে তো AWS ও আছে, Azure ও আছে. So why GCP? কেন? Any guesses?
আচ্ছা রাজস্বী, জিসিপি কি কিছু ইউনিক জিনিস দিচ্ছে তাই জন্য এত সবে জিসিপি এত কিছু হচ্ছে?
সেটা তো আছেই।
So রাজস্বী, what are the uniqueness? I'm really curious to know.
Okay. আচ্ছা, চ্যাটে লিখেছে GCP offers command line interface model training. Okay. আর কেউ? Any guesses? Why GCP? it is user friendly. Hmm. Okay, let's elaborate on. Now that we have seen that GCP offers, let's talk about a question that comes up a lot. Why should you care about GCP when we already have AWS and Azure? Well, GCP actually brings some unique advantages to the table. For AI and machine learning, GCP is best in class. It's built by the same company that created TensorFlow, one of the most popular machine learning frameworks in the world. Services like Vertex AI, AutoML make it super easy to build, train, deploy models. Even if you are not an ML expert, তোরা এই ক্লাউড স্টাডি জ্যামটা করতে গিয়ে একটা ল্যাবে পাবি ভার্টেক্স এআই এর, ওখানে তোরা বুঝতে পারবি যে মডেল ট্রেনিং গুলো কিভাবে হচ্ছে। And AWS and Azure are definitely strong here too, but GCP is seen as the global leader and innovator in AI-driven services. Okay, now about the global network. Here is something most people don't realize. When your data travels across GCP, it moves on Google's own private fiber network. Think of it as Google's private internet superhighway. That means data transfers are faster, more secure, and more reliable compared to AWS and Azure, which mostly rely on the public internet for inter-region communication. Then comes the open source roots. GCP has deep open source roots also. Remember Kubernetes, the container system. You heard of Kubernetes? জানিস শুনেছিস এটা ফার্স্ট ইয়ার্স? Okay. Okay. So Google created that and also TensorFlow. This open source foundation means more flexibility for developers, less worry about vendor lock-in. AWS and Azure use open source tools too, but Google is the one that actually built many of them. And the pricing, is it pocket friendly or not? So GCP's pricing model is super student and developer friendly. It uses per second billing, offers sustained use discounts automatically, and it generally much more transparent than the competition. AWS and Azure sometimes have complex pricing structures, but with GCP, you can easily predict and optimize your cost, which is a big win for startups and student projects. So, in short, if you are a developer, startup, or student, GCP gives you the power of Google's infrastructure, cutting edge AI tools, and affordable pricing, all while keeping things open, fast, and easy to scale. That's what makes Google Cloud Platform stand out. Okay, so Rishi just turned the page. Okay, so how you can get started? I guess Devduti can help it. Devduti?
Yeah, so good evening, guys. Ignore the background noises. It's not in my hands to stop that because we all know it's Diwali. Okay, so am I audible to you all?
Yes, you are.
Okay, ignore the noises, please. I request you all. So, the moment we all have been waiting for is how we can start with Google Cloud Study Jams, right? So, how many of you have attended the last session of GTG on campus RCCII? Please chat. Okay, so I can see a lot of you have attended. Yeah, I can see a lot of you have attended last session before Puja. I guess we had the session or after Puja. Anyway, so can anyone tell what's Google Cloud Study Jams as we discussed in the previous session? Any idea? And those who have joined today's session first for the first time, any idea, people? What's Google Cloud Study Jams all about? Okay, so without further ado, let's start. So, all right, everyone. So, we have just covered a lot about what the cloud is and the amazing things it can do, right? But now, for the most important question, how do you actually learn it? How do you go from hearing about cloud concepts to having real practical skills? Tonight, I want to show you the most effective and engaging way to do just that. We are here to talk about Google Cloud Study Jams. This is where your hands on journey truly begins. So, what exactly is a study jam? Everyone, some of you have heard before, but for the new ones, let me give a short brief about it. So, it's simple. A study jam is a community run event. Think of it less like a lecture and more like a hands on workshop. It's a get together where you and your peers learn about Google Cloud by rolling up your sleeves and working through labs together. It's collaborative, not passive. And the best part is what's in it for you. There are four key benefits. At first, guided labs. Who here likes clear step by step instructions? That's exactly what these are. They guide you through building real projects on the Google Cloud platform directly in the console. Secondly, there is another benefit that we are getting a free access. You all get temporary free access to the Google Cloud Console for the labs. You don't need a credit card and you don't have to worry about billing. You can just focus on learning. And third, you have the community support from us and Google's backing with some great swags. And finally, you all can prove your new skills with the skill batches. You can post it anywhere and earn new skills. So, Rishi, next slide, please. Yeah, so what are we learning exactly? So now we are going to redeem the credits for you all to begin with the cloud study jams. So if any one of your friends want to join and look into it, you may call them, or I would like to share my screen. Rishi, can you? Yeah, thank you. So everyone, those who have applied for the study jams, I would like you all to see. Have you all got your enrollment emails? So I would like someone to look up at the chat and tell me in audio so that I can reply to them because I'm sharing my entire screen right now. Okay. So have you all got a enrollment email like this?
Okay, not yet. No. Acha, some of
Those who are
them.
saying no, have you guys filled in the registration form, which was released 1 week back, 1 to 2 weeks? Yes, Shorjo, you can do it tomorrow. Just see the process. Okay.
Yeah, so let's begin with the so everyone, we need you all to go to your Google Cloud Skill Boost email, the email you all opened the account with, and then go to your Gmail and go to the enrollment email which were rolled out on 20th October to be precise. So here what you can see is in step number 2, you can see a link here. So you just do a right click over it. You will see open link in incognito window. It's a must. You all need to open the window in incognito mode. Open the link and then you all need to copy this code. Here, everyone, have you opened this tab? Just click on the link through incognito mode and you will get this tab opened. Are you all here? You need to copy your code here.
Okay,
Yeah.
those who got the mail, click on the link. And Ishita, you just said you did the process. I- আচ্ছা বল তো কারা করিসনি এখনো? আতুল, সৃজন। না না, প্রিয়াংশু, একবার হয়ে গিয়ে থাকলে আর করতে হবে না।
যারা যারা করে ক্রেডিট পেয়ে গেছিস, 409 ক্রেডিট পেয়ে গেছিস, they don't have to repeat it. Okay, they can continue with the rest of the syllabus. This is only for those who have not yet claimed their credits.
Okay, so extremely sorry for the noise, guys. Please pardon me.
Happy Diwali, Devduti.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay. So let me clarify a few things. So Manish is asking for a form. Okay. So the form was released 1 week back. If you haven't filled it, then I'm sorry to say you cannot take part in the study jam in this session. You can again take part in the next session. Okay. And those who have not received the enrollment form even after filling in the registration form, see, we had very limited seats from Google, so we sent around 240 registrations to Google, who sent us back 213 seats, which they also allotted. So that is all. So if you didn't get in, you don't have to be disheartened. The study jam will happen again in a couple of months, so you can apply again. Thank you. Let me continue.
Yeah, so for Deep, you have to go to the enrollment form. Then you need to click on this link right here. Can you see this link? You need to open this link in incognito window. Then there you will have a pop-up window. There in the incognito tab, you have to copy this code without any spaces. Without any spaces, you have to copy this code. And then, I'm very sorry, and then you need to redirect to the incognito tab. Okay, so this is what you all will get. Have you all came to this window? Chat. Yeah, so here what you will have to do, you will have to just sign in. You have to sign into the account of your Google Cloud Skills Boost.
Devduti, that
Yeah.
tab is not being shared.
I'm so sorry. I guess this would be easier for me to better than switching. Yeah. So there you will get, let me show you once more. After you come to this window, you need to sign in. Okay. You need to sign in to the account where you have been enrolled for your Cloud Skills Boost. Okay. Have you all signed in?
ওকে, যাদের যাদের ক্রেডিট নেওয়া হয়ে গেছে, ইউ গাইস ক্যান লিভ। ওকে, দোজ হু হ্যাভেন্ট ফিল্ড, প্লিজ স্টে।
Rajoshi, can you verify it for me? Yeah, thank you. Okay, so here you can see it will be redirected to this page. And see, here you can get your credits. Have you all got the 9 credits? Guys, here you can see that you will get the 9 credits. Have you all got the 9 credits? Shall I share once more with you? Yeah. So what you all need to do is go to your Gmail, enrollment form, open link in incognito tab. There you need to just a minute. Yeah. There you need to put the code, okay? This code, you need to put it there. After that, you need to sign in. Sign in to the account with which you created the Cloud Skills Boost account. And after that, you will be redirected to a page like this. And here it will show 9 credits to you all. Here it will show 9 credits. Have you all got your 9 credits? Those who haven't, please refresh the page. You will get it. কারুর কি রিডিম হয়েছে 9 ক্রেডিটস নাকি কারুরই হয়নি আফটার ফলোইং দ্য স্টেপস? Anyone? Have you all got the 9 credits? Okay, thank you. Yeah, so after that, here you will see a tour of Google Cloud Hands-on Labs. You need to click here, okay? You all need to go to this lab. Yeah. So after coming here, you need to start the lab, okay? We need to do this step for getting the 400 credits, okay? You need to copy the username. You need to open Google Cloud Console. Open the link in new tab. Have you all opened it on new tab? Chat. Have you all opened the Google Cloud Hands-on Lab?
Yes, they have done it.
Okay. Yeah,
Continue.
please tell me, Rajarshi, can you please
Okay,
tell me if they have done it? That would be easier for me. Yeah, so here, paste the username. Paste the username given on the left side of the lab, okay? This username and this password. Copy it, paste it. Copy that username and that password. And then click on next. And here you will give I understand. Yeah. So after redirected here, you will just do agree and continue.
So Devduti,
Have you all done that?
Devduti, can you
Yes.
repeat the step once more?
Yeah, definitely. So you need to open this on a new tab in incognito mode. You need to copy this username. Go here, paste the username. You need to again go here, paste, copy the password and paste here. And then click on next. And here you will get this page. Have you run that? No need to answer them.
Okay, Shwastika is telling to repeat once more.
Okay, yeah, sure, I will. Open the link in a new tab. Just right click on Open Google Cloud Console. Under Incognito tab, you will again get this one. Copy the username on the left side. Copy it, paste it here. Copy the password, paste it here, and done. You are done.
Okay, everyone. Just let us know in the chat. Okay, credit আসেনি এখনো।
Have you
Rishi?
all went to that page?
যারা যারা ক্রেডিট পাচ্ছিস না একবার ভালো করে দেখিস তোদের অ্যাক্সেস কোডে কোনো গ্যাপ নেই কিনা। অনেক সময় তোদের অ্যাক্সেস কোডে আমি দেখেছি কয়েকজনের রাইটে গ্যাপ ছিল, লেফটে গ্যাপ ছিল। সো প্লিজ
Okay,
মেক
now
শিওর দ্যাট ইওর অ্যাক্সেস কোড ডাজন্ট হ্যাভ এনি গ্যাপস এন্ড দেন
yeah, now they have to do one more task to get the credits. Here, click on this hamburger menu. I am an admin. Go to I am. Okay. There, you need to click on grant access. Just follow up with me, okay? Go here, hamburger menu, IAM and admin. Go to IAM, and this page will come. Here, you need to click on. Have you all come up to this page? Rajoshi, can you give me the update?
Okay, wait. Chat, please interact with us. যারা যারা এতটা অবধি করেছিস জাস্ট একটা ইয়েস লিখে দে। আমি দুজনকে দেখলাম। আর এনিওয়ান? Okay, you can continue.
Yeah. So then what you need to do is we need to the add principal sections, you need to copy it from here. Okay, from the third point you need to copy this highlighted part. Here in new principles, just paste it. For selecting a role, you need to click on viewer. Select a role currently used, viewer. Okay, then you need to save it. As you can see, I have saved it. Now I will and check my progress.
ওকে, একটু পেজ স্লো করতে বলছে। আচ্ছা, টিল নাও যে কিছু স্টেপস গুলো হয়েছে তোরা কমপ্লিট করেছিস? If any problem occurs, just let us know in the chat.
You need to go to IAM. Okay, then you need to grant access. In grant access, have you all came to this page? You need to copy this highlighted part. You all need to copy this part in the third point in task 3. You need to copy this part. Copy. You need to save it here. You need to paste here. Then you need to go to select a role. You need to select in currently used. You need to select viewer. Have you all done up till this? Chat, have you all done up till this?
Chat, is there any problem occurring during these steps? Understood. Okay.
Then you need to save this. As I have done it already, it is already showing no change, but for you all, those who haven't done, just save it. And after saving, you can check your progress here. It will take a few minutes. Don't panic, a few minutes, then it will definitely show you. Have you all completed this one? Then I will move to the next task.
Debargo written done. And any other
Yes,
participant?
there's one more task, that is just go here in the search bar, search Dialogflow. This Dialogflow API. Just search Dialogflow API. Have you all came here? Just click on enable. After enabling Dialogflow API, just come here and check your progress. As you can see, the assessment is completed. Yeah. 100 out of 100. Have you all reached up till here?
Wait, Swapnil is working on it.
Have you all reached up till here? 100 out of 100. You need to check your score. Were you guys able to follow up? Or shall I repeat any
Okay.
step?
Okay, Turiya Shankar, it is showing 50 out of 100. It means that some of your work is not completed.
Have you all done the Dialogflow one? Okay, let me continue the session. Those who are not getting it, just wait for it. Let me finish the session. We will again show to you guys.
Okay,
Okay, just stay
100
back.
of 100 out of 100 now. Okay.
Yeah, so those who have done 100 out of 100, just end the lab. Yeah, you can give a review
Okay.
out here. And after refreshing, yeah, you guys should get your 409 credits. As I have used 1 credit, it's not showing right here, but rest of you should get 409 credits. Have you all redeemed your 409 credits for GCP? Okay, so that was it for the 409 credits. So now, do you guys want a demo of how to do the labs? Then I can show you one. Just a small
Let me
demo.
also show them how to activate the Jane AI. Aren't you?
Okay, yeah, I'm showing you all guys. Okay, just a minute. Is my screen visible, Rishi?
Not yet.
I hope it's visible now. Okay. So again, you all have to come to your mails, your enrollment mails. You need to copy this code from here. You need to copy the code given here. Click on this link. Rishi, the spots are over for this one. I think they need to go for the November
You
one.
can they'll have to join from November. Okay, fine, no problem.
Okay. So have you all enrolled in the? Have you all got the 409 credits? So now let me show you all a short demo. Let me just take anyone. Okay, let's start with this one. So was for your Google Cloud Study Jam. So I have just taken one lab out from here. So how we need to do our labs. This is just a short demo so that you can do the further labs. So just continue. Yeah. So what you need to do is just copy the heading. You all can search YouTube, I guess. Go on to YouTube. Go here. You can see there are a lot of videos. Okay. Just go for a recent video, maybe 2 months back. Okay. What you need to do is you just need to follow the video up. Start the lab. Launch with 1 credit. You need to always open them in incognito window, okay? And always use a Google Chrome browser. And then you just need to follow up with the video, whatever steps they are showing in the video. So here what they are doing is, so here I'm just showing the demo, you can do them later, okay? So here they are selecting the, just a minute, yeah, just they're selecting the region. Go here, activate the Cloud Console. This is the button from where you can activate your Cloud Consoles from. This takes a few minutes to start. Just wait until then. Yeah. So as shown in the video, I am doing as per the instructions, copying the region. So what is instructed that? Over APIs and services, click on library. Cloud Scheduler API, we need to enable this. Yeah, our API is enabled. Now you need to come to task 2. Copy this, paste this over your console, enter. Now for creating a subscription, we need to come here, copy, paste it over in the console, enter. And yeah, I guess we are done with this lab. Let's check our progress. Yeah, so this lab is done. As we can see, this lab is done. We can end this lab right here. And this is how you all perform your labs for the Cloud AI Study Jam. Yeah, so I hope that's clear. Yeah, so have you, those who have followed it up and those who have s- stuck till the edge, those who are stuck, please remain for the meet. Rishi, can you share the PPT once more? Let's pack up for now and then we
Yeah,
will
one second.
show it to the rest of
Acha,
them. Yeah, Deep,
Deputy,
we will. Yeah.
someone is asking if you can show the principal section.
Yeah, I will. Just let me wrap up with the
Okay,
session
okay,
and
okay.
then those who are having
Uh,
problem just stay with
Actually,
me.
Devduti, we don't need to show it again. Deep, the recording will be shared after the event ends in 1 to 2 hours. You can see from there. Okay, because it will take a lot of time if we just go on and help everyone individually in the meet.
Okay, or
After the
maybe
meet, you
he
can
can
reach out in
DM
the
me.
group.
Yeah, he can DM or reach out in the group. Okay, so
So
Rishi, can
the
you please share?
last day to register, I would say register as soon as you can, get the credits, and the last day to complete all the study jam labs is 19th November. So target, try to target to finish it by 18th November, as the GCP platform will be crashing a lot on 19th.
Yeah, so Rishi, please share the PPT. Let's wrap up it here. Okay, so as we have shown you guys, so how to do the labs. I hope it's clear. I'm very sorry for any interruptions caused. I tried to convey it to you guys, but for the background noises and few technical glitches, as I was doing from a different account, it had faced some problems. Please pardon me for that. Yeah, so next slide, please. So this is the syllabus you all are going to cover for the Google Cloud Study Jams. We are always there in the group to help you out. And this is the syllabus you need to complete within 19th of November, okay? And as I showed that you need to do this with the 409 credits provided to you all guys, and just copy it and just search it on YouTube. And if you guys face any problem further, you can always reach out in the group and maybe DM us for any help. Yeah, Rishi, next slide, please. Yeah, so as you can see, our GDG on campus RCCIIT is a is in tier 1 status, and we have to carry it on. As a campus chapter, we have certain milestones to achieve. Our goal is to reach tier 1, which means we need to help at least 100 students successfully complete the coursework. So at least 100 of you guys, if you guys complete the coursework, we will again reach tier 1 status. So we all need your support, and just keep learning on cloud. The more students who complete the program, the more resources and support we can unlock for our campus in the future. So by participating, you are not just learning, you are helping our entire college community.
Okay, one more thing I would like to say is that this year the swags are dependent on which tier we are on. So if we are in tier 3, the swags will be like very less, and if we are on tier 1, they will have like lots of good quality swags. So I would urge all of you to complete the study jam as soon as you can, and only the first 100 people will get the swags if we are in tier 1. If we are in tier 2, then only the first 70 students. In tier 3, the first 50 students. Okay, so I hope it is clear. There are 213 of you, so I hope we can reach 100 people very soon. Thank you. Deputy, the stage is yours.
Yeah, next slide, Rishi. Yeah, so and we know that we can do it because we have a great track record. In the past year, we had 120 registrations and more than 80 students successfully completed the program. This year, we have more than 200 registrations, and we definitely need your successful participation and complete participation in it. This incredible effort allowed us to achieve tier 1 status, and we plan to do it again this year with your help. These are the swags you are going to win. And as a reward for your hard work and dedication, students who complete the study jams will have the chance to win some of this exclusive Google branded merchandise. We are talking about t shirts, backpacks, water bottles, hoodies, and more. It's a great way to show off your new skills. And as we have already redeemed the credits, we have shown you how to redeem the credits. And Rishi, yeah, so if participants who were facing issues about the Google Cloud Study Jam's enrollment mail, Rishi already told that some of you have enrolled later, so they haven't got, and those who are having problems with redeeming the credits, the video will be up for you guys on the platform. You can see it there, and for any help after that, you can definitely reach out to us on WhatsApp. The link is already provided in the chat. Next slide, Rishi. Yeah, so those who are saying I didn't get into study jams, all right, enough about study jams. What about the events we hold in GDGC, RCC, IIT? Yeah, so here's a look of our past events. We have hosted Hello World Hacks, a 30-day hackathon, Take Kotha, and sessions on data structures and algorithms like problem solving simplified, debug quest, portfolio. Next slide, Rishi. Yeah, portfolio competition and a lot other small events are there, and there are some major ones. Those who are unable to participate in the cloud study jam, you all need to participate here. You will again get some great insights and some great swags, and there are more surprises to come. And here are some of our community partners. We have RCC Techs, Flutter Kolkata, ECM, RCC IIT, Ryzen, Aptos, Girls, Script, Code of Summer, and many more. Rishi, next slide. And I would like to thank you all. Thank you for the 42 students to hold on till the end of the session. I know it was a long session. We tried our best. Sorry for the inconvenience caused. We are also learning to take sessions. We are also new to this. I hope you all were able to follow up with the session, and any queries you can definitely reach out to us. Thank you everyone for joining, and yeah, Rishi, over to you.
Yeah, okay. I have shared and pinned the link of the Cloud Study Jam group. So if some of you are haven't been able to join yet, please join the group there and ask for your queries over there. So it is in a simplified and like in one place. Okay. So DMing all of us at once will not help you because we are as in the present we are already flooded with DMs. Okay, so DMing us will not solve your query fast. If you put your query in the study jam group, it will be solved much faster, as others are also doing the study jam. They can help you. Okay, this is a community event and you need to help each other, so we hit the 100 students faster. Okay, so that is all. Thank you, and that's it.
Thank you
Thank
everyone.
you
You
everyone
all may
for joining us today.
happy Diwali everyone. Thank you for sticking till the end, and thanks to Ribhu and Rajorshi for giving such an amazing insight about cloud, and it was a great session indeed. Thank you.
You guys may leave. I still see a lot of participants here. আমাদের শেষ হয়ে গেছে, তোরা যেতে পারিস।
ওকে, এন্ড সবাই ভালো করে স্টাডি জ্যাম করিস। টাটা
টাটা সবাইকে।
ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ অরিজিৎ। আর্কেড গেম তো হবে না। Ankit, the arcade game will reopen again on November. You can apply through there. Okay, you can do that arcade.
Yeah,
And
for now the October one is out of slots. So for the GNI one, you need to be fast, and we will share it in due time.
okay.
Yeah, sorry for the firecrackers in the background. That was totally not in my hand.
Okay guys, so that's it.